Trading is easy. You pick a direction, you enter the trade, and you reap the rewards. Really, you enter a trade and you get out with a profit or a loss. Am I right? Well, it seems simple enough, and really it is simple. It's just not easy. And there are just so many things that make up a profitable trader that it would take hours and hours to go over them all. And many people, they just dive into trading thinking that if others can do it, that they should be able to do it as well because it looks easy. The Twitter and the Instagram accounts, they show people with wads of cash in their private planes, but that's an illusion. And that illusion, I think, is devastating the financial position of too many people who get hooked on the promise. And when you look at a mechanical approach to trading, like the high velocity wave trader we have at Netpicks, you're looking at a proven system, and following the rules of the trading plan is what you're supposed to do. And if you can follow the rules and gain a fundamental knowledge of the art of trading, you should do pretty well. Well, with these types of systems, you don't need the same type of knowledge as someone who trades something like order flow or gap fills. They're great for new and experienced traders who take the time to backtest, forward test, and own the system. Well, the problem is that these kind of systems make trading look easy. But for the most part, trading is easy. It's simple. The hardest part is being consistent with any of the trading rules of the system or the strategy that you have. Now, many are going to see a few days of winners, and the next day they're just going to start trading real money. They don't have the rules ingrained, so following them is a habit. And that's what you want. You want it to be a habit. So, for example, a trade sets up at a resistance level. You put your entry X price points above it. You decrease risk or adjust your stop as soon as it's required. You know the trade plan like you do your own birthday, but you have to follow those trading rules. The issue comes when you seem to have missed a trade. Maybe the trading system profit targets got you out, but the market continued to move in your direction. And this is where it gets difficult for most people. They jump back into the trade. They risk more on the next trade. They ignore profit targets on the next trade. And the more that you deviate from your trading plan, you are no longer trading the system or the strategy or the plan that you put in place. And recently I put together some videos on some topics that some traders like. I talked about the Bill Williams alligator that takes trend and a market preparing to make a directional move. And the rules, they're clear, they're well defined. Moving averages are a popular trading indicator as well. And I gave a few strategy ideas that traders can explore. And I also wrote and made a video about trading strategies that are centered around the 50-period moving average. So you want to be challenged? Go through those videos and take the sample strategy that's laid out. Just use them on a demo account. And I gave enough information, I think, that includes placing your stop loss to enable you to have some sort of trading plan. Now, you have to follow the trading rules exactly as you lay out for 1 month. One mistake, you start over again. So do you have what it takes to do that? And if you can't follow rules for a month using a demo account, how in the world will you survive when the money is real? I have a simple challenge. 1 month, perfect execution, and net positive. If you can't, and the emotions are driving you to trade live and large before that, they're also going to drive you to failure. Now, you would not shred any amount of money. So why risk it before you've proven to yourself that you can actually succeed at trading? So how many people will actually do this? And I can tell you right now, it's going to be a small percentage. And those that do, and I speak from experience with this because of myself and others, I think you'll find trading to be much more simple. Again, not really easy all the time and profitable. And those that don't, well, failure is a pretty bitter pill to swallow.